Hi everyone, in today's video we will learn some daily useful English sentences which you can use in your daily conversation. So without wasting time, let's get started. First sentence है नजरअंदाज करना सीखो. Learn to ignore. Learn to ignore. मैं ट्रैफिक में फंस गया था. I was stuck in traffic. I was stuck in traffic. एक बात बताओ. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. मुझे देखना पड़ेगा. I will have to see. I will have to see. ये तो होना ही था. It was bound to happen. It was bound to happen. तुम बहुत बदल गए हो. You have changed a lot. You have changed a lot. किसी को धोखा देना ठीक नहीं है. It's not worthwhile cheating someone. It's not worthwhile cheating someone. अभी वहां जाना ठीक नहीं है. It's not worthwhile going there right now. It's not worthwhile going there right now. यहाँ इस नाम का कोई नहीं है. There is no one here by this name. There is no one here by this name. ढेर सारा काम पड़ा था मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा काम अभी पड़ा था. A lot of work was piled up. A lot of work was piled up. बाद में आना. Come later. Come later. चलो यहाँ से चलते हैं. Let's go from here. Let's go from here. मुस्कुराते रहो. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. सोचते रहो. Keep thinking. Keep thinking. मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. I will never forget. I will never forget. आने में देर मत करना. Don't be late in coming. Don't be late in coming. उस टेबल पर क्या है? What's on that table? What's on that table? कौन से वाले? Which ones? Which ones? तुम्हारी मुस्कान बड़ी कातिल है. You have a killer smile. You have a killer smile. सोच के चुनो मतलब सोच समझ के चुनो. Choose wisely. Choose wisely. आसपास रहना. Be around. Be around या फिर stay around. मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ. I am getting bored. I am getting bored. आज हमने बाहर खाना खाया. We had dinner outside today. We had dinner outside today. उस तरफ से. From that side. From that side. इसे वापस करो. Give it back. Give it back. नीचे आओ. Come downstairs. Come downstairs. दौड़कर मत आना. Don't come running. Don't come running. आप वहाँ किसके साथ थे? With whom were you there? With whom were you there? इसके बदले मुझे दूसरा दे दो. Give me another one instead. Give me another one instead. आप ये कर सकते हैं. You can do this. You can do this.